we're about to check in. Yeah, hi. We're through.
Ako willing.
Round 2 ni Mother. Tugaw ulit. Assureman.
Uy, hindi lahat akin to.
Round 2 ko ito lang. Tugaw lang ulit. Coffee kundi pa ba? Pwede ka rin pala mag-charge dito. Ayun. Mag-charge ka. So, for immigration, wala naman tinanong sa akin. Sino lang daw kasama ko? Tapos tinuro ko yung nanay ko kasi katabi ko siya. I think mas maluwag talaga dito sa Terminal 1 compare sa Terminal 3.
Bilis lang. Wala nang tanong ko.
Kasi nga, sabi din nila, dito kasi sa Terminal 1, dito yung mga OFWs, parang mas lenient sila dito. Compare dun sa Terminal 3, which is puro passengers talaga. Mga nagbabakasyon dito. Dito naman, kumuha ka lang ng pagkain. Okay lang. Kasi ang ginamit ko pala dito is may RCBC Platinum Black Mastercard. So, pwede doon, dalawa. So, yung card holder, which is me, and one guest na card holder, which is yung mommy ko. Siya yung sinano ko. So, unlimited yun. Tapos dito ako nasa extension na po. Parang lagi sa extension ata kapag card kasi reserve yung pinaka-main for business or first class passenger. Okay lang. Walang tao dito. Hindi siya puno. Gusto nakakain pa tayo. We are boarding. Hey guys, we are seated from certain economy seats. After premium economy. Yung premium economy. Tapos ito yung situation here. Ito yung legroom natin. Tapon kasi yung water sa bag. Kaya nagre-reklamo yung mommy ko. But this is their legroom. Ayan. Parang isang dangkal pa yung kaya. So yung other na nasasakyan ko kasi medyo wala. Dikit na talaga siya. And the situation is nakikita ko wala siyang USB ports, which is kind of sad because the last time I went to Japan, meron silang charging ports. Akala ko meron, pero yeah, okay lang naman. This is 2.5-hour flight. Not sure if they have snacks or food na isa-serve, but if meron, I'll show you guys later. And sobrang bilis lang ng flight nito. Nagkaantay pa ng other passengers there. Yung tito ko kasi is priority siya. Kaya, nandito na kami sa first seat number 31. Yan, paakit na ibang passengers. So, I'll see you guys in Vietnam. Bye! So many people today. Pero marami lang nagbibenta ng mga SIM card around the area. Actually, this is the first time na may airport ako nilapagan. Tapos may nagbibenta na agad ng SIM card. Tapos may mga nag-aabang na din. Like may mga tao. Tapos yung may name ng kanyari one din ako. Tapos may mga nakagana na. Di ba dapat sa paglabas ko? Pero meron na dito. Kami nang pila sa immigration. I don't know. The aftermath of 45 minutes in immigration. We're in Carousel 3, so dun pa sa dulo. Yan. This is the first look of the arrivals area. Hands lang at the airport. Sobrang haba ng pila in immigration. Sobrang, ayan na yung mga ano, yan na yung mga bagahe. Kasi parang sabay-sabay lumanding yung mga airline. So, yung mga bagahe yun. I'm seeing my bag. This is my bag. Where's my mom? My God. So this is the... Excuse me. Sorry. Let's go to Vinaphone right there. Kasi dun yung clock. Actually, you know what? Yung nakalimutan ko is my dollars. Sabi ko, dadalhin ko kasi meron pa akong dollars doon from last year Japan ko pa. Hindi ko pa siya nagamit ulit. But yeah, we'll go to Vinaphone. Ay, doon siya sa pinakadulo. And doon yung clock. So I booked this for around 400 or 500. I'll just put in the exact amount. There is the Vinaphone. Come on. Let's go. Vinaphone. Nasa pinaka-dulo siya. Tapos, number 1 siya. So, this is their rate. There. So, they have 3 gig, 5 gig, 6 gig, 8 gig, 10 gig. This is the one that I bought. Siguro ito na yung papadulog ko nakita. Okay, let's try to withdraw in BIE. I'll be using my BPI card.
Ayan, walang yan.
So, pasok natin.
Wala.
Try natin. English. Next. Pen. And enter. 4.0 transaction amount. Minimum of 60,000. ATM normal places it. Let's just enter. Cash withdrawal. Savings. How much? 1.5 lang. Kaya ng 2, 3, 8 million. Hindi ata kaya 8 million. So, try namin yung ATM sa labas. Pero sila nag-withdraw na sila. 1.5M lang kasi yung andun. Eh parang magkano lang yun, nasa 2,000. Nang hinayang ako sa charge. Hindi ko kasi nadala yung dollar ko. Yun yung nakalimutan ko kasi sa isang wallet ko. Dadalik ko siya. Pero let's try dun sa bank, sa labas. May 3 pa daw dun na ATM, sabi ni ate. May sa HSBC. May 80,000 Vietnamese dong.
Magkano?
4 million. 4 million na yung, kasi ayaw tanggapin yung 8 million. So, tignan ko kung magkano. Kasi BPI yung ginamit ko.
4 million yan. Okay na yan, 4 million.
And
Enter.
enter. Yes. Tapos may 80,000 So, eto lumabas siya. Medyo mahal siya compare dun sa isang bank. Pero at least, di ba, lalabas yung pera. So, talagay ko naman kung magkano siya since I'm using BPI. And may sahod na daw. So, magbubok ako ng Grab. Malapit lang dito yung ano namin. Malapit lang yung tutulungin. Punta tayo
Sa car.
Therapy. Oh my God.
Ang aga nila nag-antay.
I'm so stressed.
Ang aga nag-antay.
We landed here at around 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Vietnamese time. That's 3 p.m. in the Philippines.
At saka
Nakalabas kami 4 p.m. na and it's already 4:55 ngayon. 4:55.
Okay.
4:55. Sobrang tagal sa immigration. Ang daming stress kasi yung bank, BIDV ata yung bank sa loob ng airport. Ayaw niyang maglabas ng pera. So we went out, went to HSBC, then naka-withdraw kami ng
Có đi đâu không em chở cho?
yung driver na nakausapin tita ko. Sa Google.
Got it on
But,
Wednesday.
yeah.
Is that what?
Look at me.
Okay.
I look so stressed. We're going to our
It's
Airbnb.
Friday.
It's around just 3.7 kilometers away. Yung Grab pala nito, it's 7-seater. It's
Today is Friday.
9 to 7,000 dong. It's around
Really,
212 pesos lang. And we're 5. Tapos pinagkasya lagi maleta namin. So nakakahiya. I don't know if we can go to Lotte World tomorrow.
Có đi đâu không em chở cho?
That's our Grab driver.
Come in Georgia. Is that correct? The translation?
Ano yung tito ko ng Google Translate. Tapos nag-uusap sila via Google Translate. I feel the struggle. Let's look on our Airbnb. May Christmas tree na. Oh my god, this is our Airbnb. Full tour later. We have 3 rooms. Our first room is this one. Tapos ito yung may bintana. Ito lang. Little lang. Tapos ito siya. Yan. Tapos meron tayong dito. Tapos let's head to the second room. Oops. Second room has their own toilet. I think this is like the main room. This is the own toilet nung second room. Yan. At least dalawa yung toilet natin. And then, parang master bedroom to. So, ayan. Ito wala siyang window. Yan, di ba? So pretty, right? Tapos meron siyang balcony dito. Ayan, makikita mo yung ando sa kabilang room. So nice, actually. Tapos may closet pala. Lahat ng room dito is may closet. Yan, malaki siya. Tapos may mirror doon. Yan. Tapos may mirror din dito. Right? So nice. Then next is the last room. Ito wala siyang balcony, pero may sarili siyang aircon. Then study table. So if you're working. And then yan. Quick Airbnb tour lang. Queen size bed lahat pala to. Then another restroom. This one. Then CR. Yan. Hello. And then kitchen. Ang ganda nung ano nila. Ang ganda nung Airbnb nila. Then that's me. Sa yun yung mga pagod na people on earth. Ba't hindi nyo pinubuksan yung ilaw? Yeah, we have our view here dito. Open. No, it's locked. Diyan. Pwede ka magkape dito. Pero wala pang view ngayon. Right there. Yan, pagod na mga person. We booked this for around 17,000 ata. 5 na kami nun ha. Yung 17,000 na yun. So, ayan siya. May chandelier po. So, papahinga lang kami. Bakit ako katalikod? Sige niya. So, we'll talk about our first impression here in Ho Chi Minh. Well, ito pala is na-book ko ng... Wait, ko-convert ko lang. Kasi JCB card yung ginamit ko nun for the no annual fee. So, 53,000 yen siya. Ang total niya sa akin ay parang 21,000. Mali pala yung sinabi ko na 17,000. Wait, check ko lang sa card ko. First impression is, let's just talk habang hinahanap ko siya. First impression is, matraffic siya kapag rush hour din, same like ours. So, 2 p.m. kami nakarating. Nakalapag here sa airport. Sa airport ang sabay-sabay. So, ang tagal sa immigration. Then, nagka-problem sa bank kasi yung Viet Bank is yung bank dun sa loob is hindi siya naglalabas ng pera. So, lumabas pa kami, went to HSBC, and then dun kami nakakuha ng 4 million yen, which is exactly na bawas sa akin sa BPI ko is 9,857. So, tinry ko siya i-convert, it's around 9,300 lang siya. So, parang may 500 na surcharge. Kasi may 80,000 Vietnamese dong na charge yung HSBC. Actually, malaki siya kasi yung iba is 60,000 lang. So, eto pala, Airbnb, it's 21,446.57 total namin. And kung 5 kami, that's 4,289.31 per person. That's divided by 5 nights. So, that's around 858 pesos lang. This Airbnb, 3 room siya. So, good for 6 people to, max of 6 people. So, maganda kasi siya, condo siya. Tapos, hotel yung katabi niya. Parang social na hotel, mala Shangri-La. Yun. May papahinga lang kami, then kakain kami. So, ayun lang. I'm really happy dito sa nabook ko. Kasi, apart from Bali, the Airbnb, actually, this one of the most beautiful Airbnb na pagstayan ko. And, grabe, lagi ako sa Airbnb nagsistay to all the countries na pinupuntahan ko. So, ayun lang. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the tour.